Hey guys, Lucas here from Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to go over a pouch that I've never seen before. Alright, so what we got here is a U.S. Army Leaders Pocket Set pouch. So this is just like an admin pouch that you get in, it's probably would have been issued to like NCOs or officers. I never saw this in the Army, like a lot of pouches that we come across that I wish I would have seen while I was in the Army, but never did. So this is a cool one, and we just got these in. But basically it's an ACU pouch or UCP camo. It's MOLLE. You got MOLLE webbing on the front, so that's kind of cool. So you can, if you need about pins or chem whites, you can. On the front, you have a slot for flat items like a map or anything that you can put in there like commo cards, which is nice if you're a leader. And then it's a zipper pouch from there. So inside is where it kind of gets really cool. So on the front part of the flap, you got another slot for flat items. And then you got two inserts, which will go over here in a second. And on the back, some organization slots for like pins or other things like that. Now the two organizers in here are removable. They're just button snapped in, so you can take them out, put them back in. Kind of not the easiest way to put in and take out slots like this, but it works and it keeps it fairly secure. One of them has a spot for like a GPS. You can fit like a Garmin 401 or a bigger one right there. So you have a spot for your GPS to put in right there, and you can look down and look at your grid and everything like that, or whatever else you need to put in here. So that's cool. You can keep that organized and safe and secure. And it's got a slot in the back of there, so you can store any other paperwork, commo cards. And then you have more slots or pins in the other one. And then on the back side of that one, another slot for more papers and cards, whatever, quick reference cards, GRGs, whatever need be. And again, those are removable, so you can put them in, take them out if you need be. But yeah, the button snaps are the only downside to those inserts. Overall, it's a cool little pouch. Definitely got its uses. If you just need to organize, all the map writing materials, all your stuff for just, doing basic Army things, whatever need be, this is a good one to go with. So hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is a cool little pouch that's, not issued anymore, but wish I'd seen it while I was in the Army. Make sure to head on to VintageSurplus.com, pick one up, and sign up for our email list. So twice a week, you can catch our newest, latest, greatest gear.